This is an installation guide for an Audi A3 from 2014 to 2020, designed by Love the Drive. Your Love the Drive wind deflector is designed to go in and out of your Audi in under 30 seconds, and you'll notice that there are 4 holes in the rear trim panel for the bolts of your wind deflector to go into. Start by putting the top down, moving the seats forward, and sliding one of the front bolts out. You would slide that bolt into the hole, hold the wind deflector, slide the bolt into the other front hole, turn the handle down to lock it into place, and then finally do the 2 rear bolts. Again, slide them into the holes, turn the handle down so it locks the wind deflector into place. There you go. The wind deflector can go in and out of your Audi in under 30 seconds. This is just a close-up of inserting the bolts into the trim panel holes. This is just an example of sliding the bolt forward, turning the handle down to lock it into place. Again, turning the handle to face forward and then sliding it back. A second option is to slide 2 bolts forward on the opposite side that you're standing without getting into the back seat of the car, lowering the wind deflector into place, inserting those front bolts and rear bolts into the trim panel, and then simply sliding the bolts and locking them into place on the side that you're in. And tilting the wind deflector up, and you're done. Removal of your wind deflector is just as easy. Put the top panel down, turn the handle forward, slide the bolt back, do the same thing for the rear seat, and then slide the wind deflector up and out. Your wind deflector can stay in place with the top up or down, and you can fold the top panel down if you wish a little bit more air. Many people never remove their wind deflector and are happy to just leave it in place all year long. So your wind deflector does come with a storage bag. Unfortunately, your wind deflector does not fit in the trunk. So if you did need to use rear seat areas, you can simply slide the wind deflector through the pass-through area behind the rear seats, or put the wind deflector just behind the front seats. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Our email is information@lovethedrive.com. We offer a 90-day money-back guarantee, 1-year warranty, and free shipping both directions. So if you're not absolutely happy with your Love the Drive wind deflector, feel free to send it back and we will give you a full refund, and we even pay for return shipping.